What's up, you guys? It's Jason from RPM. Check it out. If you've got a Speed UTV, you're gonna know what I'm talking about. You've got your key fob. That's how you start it. It's your key, essentially. But this thing always ended up without the keychain in my pocket, and then you gotta have it close to the ignition or so I'm like trying to get it out of my pocket. I'm in the bucket, you can't get it out. Then I'd get it out, start the car, and it's like, where the frick do you put this thing, you know? Yeah, you can throw it in the glove box, you can throw it in the cup holder. It's just like you're asking for an issue. So we had one of our guys design these. Holds the key firmly. I'm not gonna fall out of there. We've been running this thing since new. But yeah, it's essentially just a key fob holder. And the reason I have it where it's at, it just clips into one of these switch panels, by the way. So as long as you have an open one right here, actually you need two of them. These two end ones, you'll be fine with the key holder. It keeps it close to the ignition. So instead of having to reach around or make sure it's closed, you're there. We've never had one fall out. I'm like, it's gonna fall out. Like, you have to like remove it. It cradles the key pretty good. It's not gonna fall out. So yeah, pick yourself one up. rpmsxs.com.